Hi, good afternoon and welcome. My name is Sandra and welcome to my channel. So this afternoon I am going to do a very quick unboxing, and I believe the unboxing is one of my favourite products that I receive each month. I receive several subscription boxes, that's if you follow my channel regularly, and I believe the box I have here, it was delivered a couple of days ago, I just really haven't had the time to unbox it, is from Tress. So let me just open this up. If I'm wrong, sorry, let's see which one it is. Ooh. Yes, Tress, yes. So, let's get this out. Right, so this is Tress. So Tress is a monthly subscription box, and it's a hair box for people with natural hair, curly hair, coily hair, kinky hair, textured hair, basically all kinds of lovely curls usually. The box costs £20 a month, plus I think it is £2.95 postage and packaging, or it's £3.95. It's about £3 extra anyway, so call it £23 per month. Sandra, honestly, you think I'd know this by now, but anyway, so it's about £23 per month. They do three kinds of boxes. They do a box for the little kiddies, and they call that the mini me box, and it costs the same price, £23 per month. Then they've got a box for the tweenies, so the kids that are older, so young teenagers into teens, and they call that the tweenie box. And then they do a box for us big people, and they call that the queen box, and that queen is spelt Q-W-E-E-N. Right, okay, shall we go ahead and see what's inside this? So the boxes tend to have 4, 5, even sometimes 6 items in there. They are usually full-sized items, but you do also get additional packages and samples of products as well. And it won't be a little itty-bitty amount as well. It will be a good amount, so you can really sort of sample the product as well. The boxes can be themes, usually a theme around your wash day. So a wash day usually means sort of wash, shampoo and conditioning and styling your hair in some way. The boxes can also be takeovers as well. So takeovers can be from a brand, so it could be just like a one brand box, or it could be it could be by an influencer or a person who's putting in their favourite products in the box. So let's see what they've got for the first box of 2019. Okay, so that's what it looks like. So we've got that card there. Can you see that properly? Let's bring that in closer. There you go. I'm not going to have a look first yet, but it does say it's a takeover, so we know what kind of box it is. And I'm desperately trying not to look at the details on the back of the card. Oh, excuse me, I'm really thirsty. Right, sorry about that. Lots of talking and stuff this morning. Okay, that's what it looks like on the inside. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so we've got a theme here, and it's not something I recognise. I'm looking forward to seeing what this is. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 full-size items in there. Right, let's see what we have. So it's a takeover, Happy New Year, and it says, hey Queen, it's a takeover. Happy New Year, sis. It's officially 2019. If this is your first box, welcome. And I also just say welcome to my channel if this is the first time you visited my channel. So my name is Sandra, my channel is Sandra. Should have said that at the beginning, but you know what, it's because I'm thinking about what I'm going to be doing next. It's my daughter's 18th birthday this weekend, so we're doing like a series of different things. So after I've done this, I'm taking her out with her and her mates out to the cinema and pizza. So that's the first bit of this weekend. So anyway, that's where my mind is, so excuse me if I seem a bit scatty. Right, okay, so if this is your first box, welcome. There's no better way to start the new year than with a fresh start. So we're excited to be sharing your journey with you. If you're already #TT Tribe, welcome back Queen. We're equally as excited to be part of your New Year glow. This year we wish you bomb braid outs, okay, perfectly defined twist outs, extra retention, flourishing throws and endless blessings from the hair gods. May your curls pop all 2019. I agree with that. May your curls pop. Right, so let's have a look. What is this brand? Okay, I'm still not quite sure what the brand is. Oh, yes I am. I do recognise the brand. Interesting. Let's go with this then. So let's take out the first item. If I can get the right item out. Here we go. So the brand is LotA Body. Is it LotA? Yeah, LotA Body. LotA Body. So we have seen this brand before. I've seen it in things like, oh, I think we've had a mousse and like a shine product as well, and various milk sachets and things. So we've got here from LotA Body, it's a mix and honey restore me cream shampoo. First things first, ladies, wet your hair and using your fingers or a wide tooth comb, section your hair into 4. So they always say that. They always say section your hair into 4. I must admit, because my hair is so short and so thin, I literally just put the product in my hand. My hair is well doused because I've got sort of normal porosity hair, and I just put the shampoo in my hair one time, because I think if my hair was longer and thicker, then yes, I would section it, but I personally don't need to, or I don't think I need to. Anyway, so they say apply the shampoo to your wet hair and work the product into each section into a creamy lather. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. Product benefits: removes product buildup, restores moisture, makes hair more manageable. Okay, so what we have here is a full-size bottle. It's 10 fluid ounces, 300 millilitres, and it says removes product buildup, restores moisture, makes hair soft and manageable, for natural hair, and there's no sulfates. Okay, doesn't say there's no parabens or anything like that either. So LotA Body and Honey Restore Me Cream Shampoo is enriched with wholesome milk protein and hair loving honey. This nourishing formula treats dry, rough strands and helps restore moisture for healthy looking hair. Helps restore moisture, softens hair, and it's colour safe. Okay, so no drying, no sulfates. There's no sulfates, petroleum oil, what's that say? Phthalates, paraffin, petrolatum, and formaldehyde. Okay, so none of those drying, damaging ingredients. So that's all good. Let's have a look and see what the first ingredient is. So my eyes are a bit funny again. I've just put my contact lenses in, so sometimes, especially when I've got makeup on, it takes a while for my eyes to settle. So excuse me. So the first ingredient here is aqua water, and we've got sodium C1416, I don't know what that is, olefin sulfurate, coca-midopros, I think that's like a coconut something or another. Then we've got cocamide MEA. So this all looks like cocoa nut ingredients of some sort. MEA, perfume fragrance, panthenol. We've also got dimethicone in there. It's got glycerine in there, but this is further down the list. I'm not seeing anything that says natural oils, but again, I don't know enough about these ingredients. I do need to start looking up and researching what these ingredients are, because if I'm going to continue getting treasure Tress, then I really need to understand the ingredients, what some of these ingredients are, because a lot of these I do recognise, but apart from aqua and sulfate laureate, I don't really know what a lot of them are. Some of those things I did recognise, like cocamide, because I'm sure that's something from coconut. I'm not sure, but I do need to look these up and start learning what I'm putting in my hair. I don't know if it's got actual real milk proteins in there, but if it has, then if you've got a dairy allergen, then you obviously need to look it up and see if it's something that can work with you. Right, okay, let's go on to the next one. So the next one we have is the conditioner, which is this. There we go. And this is the Milk and Honey Restore Me Cream Conditioner. Now our hair is all cleansed, we're moving to step 2. This cream conditioner can double up as a deep conditioner too, but we've added a deep conditioning sachet for you too. Keeping those same sections, apply the conditioner from tip to root and ensure you pay attention to the shaft of your hair. You can leave this in your hair under a plastic cap for a few hours before rinsing. So tip, wrap a warm towel around your plastic cap to add heat. This is a great way to open the cuticle and allows the conditioner to penetrate the hair. So I've been trying to get into steaming. I did buy a steamer in the end. I bought a steamer from Amazon. yeah, 2 uses, 3 uses, and it stopped working. So I've now got to pack it up. I'm just looking at it there. I've now got to pack it up and send it back. And I'm going to have to spend the big bucks really and spend some more money on a steamer. But I really do want to get into steaming my hair this year. I mean, my hair, oh God, you know what? I think I might put the wig on. This doesn't look good. Yeah, my hair is, I just think hair needs to be steamed each week. So that's what I want to do, because I want to get that moisture in my hair. So we shall see what I'm going to be doing next with that. But this looks interesting. I'm interested to see what these products are like, because it's not giving me much information by reading the products, reading the information. It smells nice. That was the conditioner. That smells okay. Yeah, they've got similar fragrances, just lightly fragranced, you know, pleasant enough. Okay, so the third item here is the Milk and Honey Nourish Me Leave-In Conditioner. And this is, once we've washed the conditioner out of our hair, it's time to prep our hair for styling. This beauty can be used on wet or dry hair. Its formula treats and restores moisture and will leave your hair looking and feeling healthier again. Oh, against this, we're working in sections, adding the product from tip to root, paying close attention to the ends of our tresses. Once you've completed your section, style. Product benefits is locks in moisture, detangles and controls frizz, and it adds shine as well. Okay, so there we go here. We've got 8 fluid ounces here, which is 236 millilitres. So there you go, there's that. And the final item in the box is this. So Milk and Honey Take Me 24-Hour Edge Control. We've got to have an edge control, haven't we? So now for the finishing touches. Let's get these edges in order, sis. It's 2019. There's no excuse. Our edges must remain laid. Use the gel on your edges using your fingertips or a toothbrush, and get creative with your baby hairs. Alternatively, use the edge control around the perimeter of your hairline for a super sleek finish to your buns and ponies. Product benefits: it slays edges and is non-flaking. Okay, I might try and put some of that in my hair. I'm not very good at doing edges, that's why I don't really do it, but this is what the product is. This is what it looks like on the inside. Okay, so it's a fairly clear liquid, clear product. Yeah, same sort of fragrance, so yeah. I might try and put some of that in my hair in a bit actually, so I've got to get out the door. A couple more little things inside here. So this is the sachet they mentioned. So this is the LotA Body, also included Hydrate Me Deep Conditioning Mask. Use this under your plastic cap after the cream conditioner for extra moisture. So you've got enough here for one day, for one treatment. And they've also given a plastic cap as well, which is kind of cool. What I will do, if I can find the products, I will put the price of each individual item up on the screen. But you must be aware that sometimes if the products aren't available in the UK as yet, I might have to put the American prices up there, because sometimes products are released in America before they're released here. But if I can find prices, I will. Sometimes the products might be available on eBay, so if it's on eBay, then obviously the price isn't going to be realistic, because it's going to be a price plus loads of shipping to get the products from America. But so you need to take that into consideration as well. All right, so there we go. So we've got our 4 products this month. Milk Honey Tame Me Edge Control. We've got a leave-in conditioner for detangling and shine. We have a conditioner. Yeah, so LotA Body with Milk and Honey, so we've got a conditioner, and we've got this one, we've got the shampoo. I'll be interested to see how this compares to the Cream of Nature Pure Honey range, because I love that range and my daughter absolutely loves that. She's literally just finished the last of it. I mean, I had 2 boxes of that last year and all the products from that range have finished. I think I've got a little bit left of the conditioner, but not much. All the other products have all gone. So I may give this to my daughter for her to form an opinion on. If you've got this box and you've started using the products already, just let me know, what do you think about it, and how does it compare to some of the other products and to the sort of direct competitor, the Cream of Nature Pure Honey? How does it compare to that? Just let us know, let us all know, because it's a community and we like to share and feed our information and learn from each other as well. And if there is anything about these products that I'm not sure about or I'm unhappy about, I will post, so look in my comments down below, because sometimes I do put my comments and I pin it, and if it's anything serious I might just post on Instagram as well, so look out for that. If you've enjoyed this video, please just give me a like, because obviously it helps my channel to get recognised. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, what are you waiting for? Come on now, you know what you need to do. Just press that red button down below, and if you haven't done so, you can press the little bell, and that will make sure, cross fingers, that you're notified when I do my next upload. Right, I've really got to get out of here. It's 2 o'clock. You know what I was about to do? I was about to get the scissors and just comb my hair out. Afro, because these ends aren't looking great and I'm not quite sure what to do here, but I've got to leave, so I'm just going to have to run out the door as I am, which is a bit embarrassing really, but there we go. So I will see you soon. Take care.